Good day. Welcome to Experts Technology Assessment and Training Center Incorporated. For the virtual commencement exercises for TWSP or Training for Work Scholarship Program under the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority TESDA for the qualification of Web Development Level 2, January 12, 2021, Tuesday, 1:00 p.m. Ms. Wingy I. Abergos, our TVI Head of Expert Technology Assessment and Training Center Incorporated. Mr. Michael Paul G. Buraga, the National Tibet Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for graduation: Angeles John Martin J. Astrologo J.D. Gale A. Austria Frederickson R. Bautista Generito E. Casingal Mark Angelo O. Esteban Andrea Claire A. Fructoso Desiri T. Ibal Gian Carlo A. Jacob Gracel P. Mangahas Regine R. Mika Monton. Parungaw Janine M. Quintos Mauro J.C. Rabinitas Rochelle M. Ragaudao Maki F. Sadsad Angeline Isabel L. Sarmiento Jr. Ernesto D. Samonte II Patricia A. Santos John Miguel B. Tan Danica N. Tolentino Ariel B. Tubay Edrel Franz F. And last but not the least, Yolip Mirasol B. Congratulations, graduates!